Kick pop. Bring it closer. Oh wow. Is there a face on there? Let's see. Whoa. Me and Rocco are taking a look at this huge puddle that's leading to their school. And we think it's from the hail. Don't walk in there. We think it's from the hail that melted over the last few days, plus a horrible storm that we've had today. But isn't that crazy? All the way across the mergeway to their school. So,
Mom.
Crazy time.
Audio preview.
Y'all know when you're just tired of being in the house and things are irritating you? You should do a bonfire. It fixes everything. It's freezing cold out here. It's dripping a little bit of rain. And I got the kiddos out here just chilling, relaxing, trying to be in the present, not taking everything so seriously. Finding that in my older age, I am much more laid back, and I just appreciate that quality in people. Just be cool. Be happy. Own it. All right, so it's Saturday, and we are on our way to Layla's dance practice. So today we are just chilling. We have this dance practice for Layla's hip hop and tap, and then we have
Home dance practice for church for Easter.
Right, so we have a lot of dancing going on today. We're grooving.
Yep.
Typical Saturday though. Layla, are you ready for your dance practice?
Yep.
Have you been practicing?
Nope.
Look at Marley's way back there.
I'm a naughty girl.
So we'll see. So I forgot to say the most important part of this morning, aside from Layla's dance practice, is that Layla's god sister is also in this dance class. So her mom and I are very good friends, and so every Saturday we've been going back and forth on who's picking up coffee. So we're actually walking to Starbucks now because it's my turn to buy coffee, and it just so happens to be right around the corner from the dance studios.
Actually, I want to blind
I've been horrible at vlogging, but I have been getting stuff done. So I'm going to show you guys what I'm actually having for lunch. I've been working all day for work, just like banging stuff out, getting stuff accomplished, and totally forgot to eat. So I had an appointment with TSA to be able to do like the pre-check, so I don't have to go through security the way you normally do at the airport to save me time, because I'm on so many flights and connecting flights. Came home and banged out so much work. Now I'm cleaning the boys' bedroom and organizing it, and I'll tell you guys more about what I'm doing, but I want to show you what I'm eating, and it's like almost like 3 o'clock, so let me show you. Just look amazing. So it's actually this yogurt, Noosa's lemon yogurt, and this yogurt is the bomb. Then I have of course blueberries, blackberries, which I just have in these little containers here. And then where's my granola I just put in there? This is the Target's Archer's Farm Cinnamon Raisin Swirl. The crazy thing is, one thing I've introduced to my diet, my husband actually does, and I started watching the results that he's getting, and I'm like, well, I want in on that. So he has a shot of apple cider vinegar, and then he dilutes the apple cider vinegar. Careful, because when I do that, I'm not hungry forever, which is the case today. Besides being super busy, I'm not eating until 3 o'clock. So here's the boys' room. I remember when I was a kid, I used to love it if my mom would clean my room, which was not often, but my mom was the best cleaner. I remember thinking like, oh, I wish my mom could clean my room every day, because she was so awesome at it. So I'm in the same position now. My boys have a hard time with organization, and then it gets like out of control. And so little D came in today. He's like, Mom, are you gonna help us clean our room today? So I'm helping, well, I'm actually doing their room to surprise them so that when they get home, it's all done, because I remember that feeling. But it's still in kind of crazy state. Looks so much better. I'm washing their sheets right now. This part is pretty much done. I have to dust, but got that organized. But I was like, yeah, so I'll keep getting back to work and eating before I forget to do that, and then I'll check in with you guys later. He's getting his 2-month late birthday present. What are you gonna order, baby?
Oh, it's a video?
Yeah.
Oh, huh? Video. Oh, I should be talking or doing something then. I just picked my nose on camera. Maybe an Irish mule. It sounds good.
That sounds good.
Whiskey.
Okay. Got a Moscow mule.
Oh yeah.
Irish
That's
Moscow
really
mule?
good. Irish. Got some ginger in there.
Let me see.